My 1-year anniversary with my boyfriend Danny was a few months ago. In being my first big anniversary and a broke college student, I wanted to do something really special that didn't cost a lot of money. So I made this. It's a book of pre-planned date ideas and activities that are really personal to me and my boyfriend. I originally got the idea from this blog and then made it my own. Today I'm going to show you what is, in my opinion, the perfect anniversary gift and how I made it. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm the most extra person in the world, and this is just gonna show that to the fullest. So I made the cover, as you can see. It was just like a plain white book that I got from like Hobby Lobby or Amazon, and then I just covered it in fabric and cut out these little letters that say mystery date. And I was trying to do like a kind of like retro 70s theme. And then on the inside is the table of contents. So the whole idea of the book is that they're like mystery dates that you can do for 1 year, like 12 date ideas for your next year together. If you and your man are having relationship troubles, buy this book for the low price of $59.99 because a lot of labor went into it to save your relationship for the next 1 year. The second your man or woman opens this book, they're obligated to do all 12 dates with you, 1 per month, so they have to stay with you for 1 full year. Order now. Anyway, this is actually 15 date ideas. I'm a bit of an overachiever. So my boyfriend has to stay with me for a bit more than a year. Anyway, I made a table of contents, and it says like the page number where you can find each date idea, and I like put a little like title for like what the date is, but I like tried to make it like a mystery, so he would have to like pick one at random that we would do. Like number 1 is a night on the town, which like what does that mean? You kind of know it's downtown, hopefully. Let's find out. And I made a downtown scavenger hunt. And like you can see, they're really simple. Like I just got like Sharpie and paper, and I made a list of like different places on the scavenger hunt where I live in Austin for downtown. And this is what we actually did on our 1 year. So this is the first date we did, and you don't have to do them in order. Oh, this is also important. All the dates cost no money, or I included the money for it if there was money. And then the second page is powers out. So it's basically like if you had no electronics, no power, no electricity for a night, and you like have to just like hang out by like, you could play board games, you could talk, you could go for a walk. I put some like suggestions, but no electricity allowed. And then, oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I also included a box full of goodies that correspond to some of the days. Wow, I'm very extra. So for that page, there's like a little box, and this is full of candles since you can't have electricity, so we can actually like see and like do things and play games. And then we'll get to the other things in the box when we get to those pages. Oh, the third page is empty because I actually didn't have time to finish this before I gave it to Danny, and I still haven't thought of like a new idea. So if you guys have any ideas for like another date I could add in here, let me know because I need to finish this page. Then the next page, this is like going to an art museum, and this one is probably the cheesiest, but it's to like pretend like you're the like tour guide at the art museum and to just like make up random facts and like stories about like each painting, and you could like alternate doing it, or just one of you could do it, and you like can't read any of the like plaques on the paintings and you have to interpret them. And then this page is to go to a trivia night, which I think is so fun. I went to one over the summer and like loved it, and so I wrote down different places for each day that like have trivia, so whatever day we want to go and like do this page, we'll like have a place to go and like the times and all the info. The next page, we've also done this one. Okay, I am not a video game person at all, but Danny loves video games, and so I said we can play whatever video games he wants and order pizza, and so there was $5 or $10 here for pizza. So that's what I mean about it's really inexpensive, but like this one I included money for a meal. And then there's little Kirby, because whenever I play Super Smash Bros, I'm Kirby. I just know how to jump, so I just jump over people so they can't attack me. I always lose eventually because I don't know how to attack anyone else, but I make it pretty far normally. Everyone forgets about me. Okay, this one we haven't done yet, and I'm probably most excited to do this one. This one is called Gordon Ramsay Who. You have 20 minutes and $10 to use a secret ingredient that's in here to make a meal. And you can't look up recipes. I haven't decided if that's gonna be too hard yet for these rules. So you just have to like run around really quickly, grab all the items. They all have to fit within $10, and then it's like a cooking contest, and then dinner out of it because you can eat each other's meal. And my mom like wrote the ingredients, so I actually don't know what the secret ingredients are, and I'm so intrigued. I want to do this one so bad. This one I did like 5 minutes before I gave it to Danny because I was running so behind. This book took me so long, so this one like looks the shittiest, to be honest, in like design. But this one is like a crafting one, and so you have to like make a craft out of the items in the box. So in this box, I included like a bunch of random items like nails, sequins, like fabric, like wire, little googly eyes, like a bunch of stuff, and $10. So we can go to this like local craft store and you have to create something with the supplies and with whatever you can buy with $10. So just a little crafts night. This is one of my favorite pages. I think it's so cute and it's really simple, but it's just a picnic. Pack some food, take some pictures, and yeah, I already own like a picnic blanket, and I think I included like forks and knives and like little plates in the box, so just for like fun. Then, because Danny already plays a bunch of instruments, but I do not. So this page is for him to teach me like a little song on the piano, or like a little short melody, or like we could make up a duet together, but we have to learn something musical. And even if like you and like your significant other are like not musical at all, this would still be like really fun to just like try and like play something or make something. Okay, this page, I'm also really excited to do all these. I love going on walks. I know some people don't, but me and Danny are big walkers. Like if we're like bored or stressed, we'll just like go for a walk. And so each of these are 4 different like walk ideas. So the first one, Let It Grow, is to go on a walk and plant things as you walk. And so in the box, I included a bag of seeds so we can like plant little plants as we walk around. So then in the future when we go on walks, we can see if our plants grow. Ah, so cheesy and so cute. I like kind of hate myself as I say these ideas because they're so cheesy, but I also love them, which makes me hate myself more, you know? This sounds weird, but I included the name to this like cool cemetery that's close by so we can go walk there. I feel like that sounds very like morbid and like disrespectful, question mark, but it's like, I don't know, I think like looking at like old places and like reading tombstones or like the history of like places is like really cool. So yeah, it's not weird, I promise. And then this one, oh my god, I'm excited to do this one. This one is to get lost. And I included a bunch of directions in here, and so you're supposed to like, because we always walk like the same way, so we have to like pull the card and follow the directions. So the idea is to like get lost in your own city, and they're like really fun directions. Like some of them are like go left or right, or like walk 2 blocks. Some of them is like walk towards the sun for 2 blocks, follow someone for a block. You have 3 minutes to find a street beginning with the letter M and walk down that street. And so the idea is like to use no GPS and like find new like fun things you wouldn't normally find in your city. And then the last walking one is missions. So they're just fun things you can do while on your walk. And you could combine these like, not saying these are great ideas, but like they're great ideas, you know? So like get dessert, get your feet wet. We have this like creek and Danny always wants to get in it and I never want to, so you could use get your feet wet as us having to get in the creek. Next! Oh, we did this one too. This one was fun. Okay, so this is a Whole Foods scavenger hunt. And I tried to make the pages fun too. So I did this one like an old like 70s ad that's like really sexist. And it's like, show her it's a man's world, beat your girlfriend at the Whole Foods scavenger hunt. And it's got like little food stickers and stuff that I made. I don't know, I think I'm adorable. Whole Foods has a wrap for being, so I did like really fun like scavenger hunt ideas that were like find an organic non-GMO item, find like the most expensive item, the weirdest bacon flavored item, just like weird random like fun stuff that like Whole Foods would like totally have. I think we tied, which is really lame. I wanted to win. Like I'm not very competitive, but like I was gonna win this and then we like tied or whatever. Then this one. Let me tell you a secret. I'm not ready for this page, but I'm excited for when I am ready for it. So, Austin, where I live, little known, maybe well known fact, we have apparently arguably one of the first ever like serial killers. But like I was like, how have I lived here for like years and like never known this? And like that's so cool. Like I'm like a mystery, like a murder mystery like buff, like a fanatic. And I love like tours of like a city. Like we did the Jack the Ripper tour in London, like stuff like that. And there's like no like tours in Austin over like murder that I could find. So I was like, I'll create my own murder tour. Our like first ever serial killer was like the Servant Girl Annihilator, was like the nickname they gave to the person, but they didn't know who it was. So I planned to find like spots around town where like the victims like lived and were killed or worked and stuff and create my own like murder tour, which sounds really fun. And I'm excited to go on this tour that I haven't yet created. I think it's gonna be a lot of work. In the gift box, I included an envelope that's supposed to have the directions to the tour on it, but it's currently empty. Yeah, this page will be coming soon, hopefully. And then we're coming to the last 2 pages. I know you're crying because you loved this video so much. This page, okay, this might be my favorite page visually. Like I love the colors, and we did this one too. So this one I stole directly from that blog that I linked down below, because that one had a lot of fun ideas that I like modified and stuff, but this one I took like directly from it. So it's called Cosmic Bowling, and you get like a bag of M&Ms, and whatever M&M you draw out of the bag, you have to bowl the way that that color is. So here's like the key for all the colors. So blue is like bowl with your eyes closed, we have bowl granny style, bowl with the opposite hands, switch bowling turns, bowl how your partner chooses, or bowl your best. Now the last page. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is Mission Impossible. Here's your mission if you choose to accept it. Pick one, and I listed 3. So these are just like fun, like little YouTube video ideas that I've always wanted to try. So the first one is like a crazy DIY craft, like something that's like so hard, like you're gonna fail at it, but that's like the fun of it, you know? And then the second one is an elaborate cooking tutorial. Like, have you seen those people who make like those like crazy cakes that look like real food and stuff? Like, I could never do that, but I've always wanted to try. And then the last one is a themed makeup tutorial, which I don't know, I think I've always wanted to like do Danny's makeup and stuff, and so I thought it'd be funny if like he tried to do makeup on me and it was like a really hard like makeup tutorial, and then I also got to try and do it on him. Like, I don't know, I just feel like that'd be funny. I don't know if he'd be into that or not, but I think it'd be fun. And yeah, that's the end of the book. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys have any questions on like the book, and if you want to know like more details, specifically how I made it or what I specifically included for like scavenger hunts and like the exact text of the pages and stuff like that, let me know in the comments and I can answer all that for you guys. And again, I linked the original maker of this concept down in the description of the Babes Ruth vlog. Okay, bye!